EveryWare by Breas is a securely hosted cloud-based application offering clinicians and caregivers everywhere access to patient therapy data. Transmitted using an encrypted 4G cellular connection, Breas patients can be remotely managed with confidence by demonstrating their device usage whilst meeting the latest cybersecurity compliance needs. Sending therapy data to EveryWare is made simple thanks to the iLink modem's plug-and-play design. The patient simply connects the USB and power cable to operate. By being external, the iLink allows caregivers to send it out to a patient in their home, potentially saving another appointment or visit. And once the ventilator is assigned in EveryWare, the caregiver can retrieve data going back as far as 365 days, enabling better insights from the very first review. With data now at the clinician's fingertips, the move towards managing patients virtually is being made even easier thanks to the ability to change settings remotely. By changing settings from within EveryWare, instead of seeing the patient face-to-face with their device, the time saved can be used for managing other patients or those with more complex needs. EveryWare by Breas is a remote connectivity solution designed to improve outcomes, demonstrate compliance by generating a more insightful approach to the care of respiratory patients in the home. EveryWare by Breas, making connected care more insightful.